Fred Talks. What's up, my dear friends? In this video I'm going to show you a strategy that I have used and many other people have used in order to make art or design their full-time job. Okay, and this is not some bullshit theories that you see all over YouTube. Oh, 10 tips to become a professional designer. Oh, grow your Instagram by 1 million followers in 10 days. Okay, no, this is like real practical tips. Okay, something that you can actually follow and become a full-time artist if you do it like for 6 months or preferably a year. I know, sounds much, but at least it definitely works. So let me open my notes to see what I'm going to say, because I have recorded all the steps. Step 1, 100% focus. Yes. So before you actually even start dreaming of becoming a full-time designer or artist, you need to know what is your 100% focus. That means that what are you doing? Are you creating logos? Are you creating posters? Are you creating website designs? Are you creating artworks? Are you doing photo retouches? You need to choose one thing, okay? Don't try to do 10 things at the same time. You need to do one thing that will make your job of finding clients much easier. Step 2, you need an Instagram account, okay? And not some personal bullshit Instagram account where you post your pictures. Look, such a beautiful day today. No, okay, you need a business Instagram account where you post only your artworks. And I'm not kidding, okay? I mean, you can post your own picture on your profile, but the posts need to be your works and not some bullshit image of yourself. So step 3, you need to prepare your Instagram account. Why? Because we are going to use it in order to find clients. So what do I mean by prepare? Prepare means that you post only your best works, okay? Don't post something if you're like, this is not so good, but I think it's fine. No. Post only your best works, quality over quantity, okay? If you already have like hundreds of works there, then make sure to archive all the bad works and leave only the good ones. So when your clients see your page, they go like, oh my god, this is perfecto. Clearly indicate what you do. What does it mean? In your bio, you need to clearly write what services you're offering. So for example, write something like, I offer logo services, or I will create a beautiful logo for you, DM me if you need one. Okay, so first you write what you do and then you write action, what they should do. So for example, how they contact you, they should DM you on Instagram or they should email you. Tell them that, okay? That's very important, and make it look professional. Okay, and write something like, I'm a professional designer with huge experience. If you need a stunning logo, DM me. Or if you need a stunning artwork, DM me. Anything that you do. Step 4. Okay, this is going to sound weird, but you need a paying job. Yes, let me explain you why. In order to become a full-time artist or designer, first you need to find a job that actually pays you, any job. Why? Because in order to find clients, you need to invest money into your account. So yeah, find any job that pays you. If you're not going to do paid ads on Instagrams, then your chances of finding clients are really, really low. And it's gonna take you like 10 years. Step 5, finding clients through Instagram. So this can be either doing official Instagram ads or contacting pages and doing ads on their pages. Okay, so let's start first Facebook ads, and this is step 6. Get familiar with Facebook ads. This is very important before you actually go and do ads. Okay, if you don't want to lose your all money, you need to make sure that you actually watch some videos on how to do Facebook ads or access some course that teaches you how to do ads in Facebook and so on. Because I mean, otherwise if you don't learn how to do it, what you're gonna end up doing is, instead of attracting people who need artworks, you will attract people who, I don't know, like dogs for example, and why the hell they need your artworks, huh? And let me tell you what is exactly the strategy with ads. So for example, let's say you put $5 per day on ads. Okay, and let's say just in 1 week you spend $50 on your ads. Okay, and you found 3 clients from this $50 and you charge $50 per work that you do. That means that if you have 3 clients, that means they're going to pay you $150 and you spend $50 on ads. That means that you just earned $100. So whenever you do ads, one thing you always need to make sure is that you earn more than you, what is this word? You earn more than you lose. Even if your work is like $100, let's say you're doing one logo for $100, and let's say you're doing ads and you already spent $80 and you still haven't found a client, and then finally on dollar number 85 you find your client, then you still earn some money because he will pay you $100 and you will pay $85 for your ads. I know you just earn $15, which is not too much, but this is a rare case, okay? I'm talking about extreme cases, so you always need to make sure that you earn more than you pay for your ads. If you're spending money and you're getting followers but you're not getting any clients, then stop. You are doing it wrong, because remember, you don't need followers. You need clients, okay? Stop freaking trying to become a superstar. You need clients and not followers and likes. Steps 7. Find Instagram pages that do what you do. So for example, let's say you do artworks, then just find an Instagram page that is posting artworks from different artists that are in the style that you do. Contact that page, ask them how much do they charge for promo. Do one promo with them. Let's say they say, oh, we charge $30. Do one promo, see if it is effective, which means that see if you can get followers, if you can actually get messages in your DMs of people saying, oh, your works are so cool, I would like to work with you, and blah blah blah. So basically potential clients. If it is effective, then contact them again, ask them for a bulk price. Let's say you want to do 4 promos, ask them for a discount for a bulk price, and then do 4 promos, and then continue doing it every single month and getting new clients. But make sure that you advertise on the right pages. I mean, again, if you're doing logos, for example, or if you're doing posters, then you don't want to put ads on page that is posting some weird memes. Doesn't make any sense, right? Also, very importantly, my dear friends, forgot to tell you that before you actually start looking for clients, I would say you need to have at least 1,000 followers. Why? Because when people look at your account, if you have at least 1,000 followers, it will make it look legit. I would say, you know, it looks like, oh, 1,000 people trust this guy. So that's why, for example, if you're just starting, I would say it's okay to spend money on getting followers. And if your budget is not that much, I would advise you to, you know, target some cheaper countries where prices are lower, which basically means that also ad cost is going to be lower there. But if you already live in a cheaper country like me, in a third world country, then ads are already going to be cheaper for you, so you can just target local people basically. And step 8, you need to keep doing this for a year. Yes, I'm not kidding. What, you thought it's gonna be easy? No, I told you from the beginning, this is not like a quick way of earning money or becoming a professional artist or anything like that. Okay, if you want to do something for real, it takes time, it takes effort. You need to keep doing this for a year, which basically means that you need to keep investing your money into advertising your account. And if you do it right, after a year, you will have enough clients, you'll have enough returning clients that will always come back to you for new works. And then you can just quit your job and become a full-time designer/artist. How cool is that? That's it, guys, for today. I hope you found this really useful. And before you leave, I will tell you something very important, okay? But before I do that, let me tell you about my premium Photoshop classes at learnfromfred.com, where you can go and access and start learning for a very low price, get access to all of my premium artworks, see how I create them, what tools I use, what secret techniques I use with these beautiful fingers. Wow! And also, if you like my artworks, make sure to check out the links below. I'm selling some really dope t-shirts that you would love to wear in summer and be cool. And now, I remember that I told you there's one more important thing that I need to tell you before you leave, right? And this is, I love you guys. Yeah. Yeah, I know I tricked you so you can, so you watch the promotion from me. Yeah, I know I'm an awful person, I know I'm a horrible person, but I mean, I gave you lots of useful info, so love you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.